Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. And today I just wanted to talk about some software. I actually looked online and saw that Roland now offer a cloud solution to a lot of their legendary synthesizers. And being a Roland owner back in the day, I used to have a JV 2080. I had the phrase sampler, which was supposed to be the next big thing, but it didn't really take off. And I bought one of those from New. They was, just to see what they could do. But the phrase is now obviously similar to what you see in Cubase and stuff like that. I had a JP 8080 and also had a Roland R8 drum machine. And yeah, man, this is really interesting because I remember the JV 2080 had loads of sounds in it, and this is obviously, they've vamped up all of the old synthesizers, and they put it into a cloud-based system where you can get your hands on lots and lots of synthesizers. Now, obviously, I haven't actually contacted Roland, but I wouldn't mind getting a little dibs on this somehow, but it would be nice. But in any case, I don't. I'm definitely interested. There is a free trial that you can download without giving your credit card details. Look, I'm already in. If you look in the back here, and I'm going to show you what's in the back end. This is a free demo that I'm literally using. Yeah, guys, look, this is wicked, man. Look, you've got all these different synths. You've got System 1. What we've got here, System 8. Now, bearing in mind, I haven't actually done any research on this. I've just literally loaded it up. This is first impressions. Look, 1985 Volume 1 Anthology, deep sampled software instrument. So these are VSTs, and you just pop the install. Look, 1 gig of there would be probably multi-sampled bits and bobs at 1986. You've got all these different synths that they've got probably some of their classic sounds in, which is interesting. Obviously have a read for yourself and see. I'm just giving you guys, passing on the news, man. Look at this. You got some orchestra stuff, and then right, look here, you got the drum series. Look at that. You get your TR-808 in there. That's what got me. And you got your 909 drum machine in there as well, man. And then you've got, look, you got your flavor series. I'm assuming this gives you some bits and bobs from nostalgia. Look, Electrode. You've got all these other sort of packs. Look, hip hop and robo hop, whatever, blah blah. But look, legendary. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look, D50, Juno 106. Oh man, you know what I mean? Mentasms, Jupiter 8, JV 1080, which was a contemporary, like I say, R&B, hip hop, pop, whatever, contemporary style music. There's enough stuff in here, man. And they come. I remember you used to get cards for all these. Look, the JX3P. I had one of these. This was another synthesizer. I think this one never even had MIDI. So you're going to get an opportunity to actually MIDI this up now, man, which is sick. Look, I don't know what that is. Another one. SH101. Look, man, look. The whole Roland collection at your fingertips, right? Look, SRX Dance. Comment down below if you guys owned any Roland kit, man, because I definitely had a few pieces back in the day, like Orchestra World. I think these were the cards. Like, this is in nostalgia to the cards at TB303, and this gadget is worth serious money now. Look, TR8 at 909. We said that, and then there's a whirl of patches. Look at this. Sorry to flick through so quick, man, but just wanted to do a quick video. Heads up, spread the word, guys. This is all right. Now let's get to pricing. Now let's go. So. We go to join. Look, there you go. There's your subscriptions, right? So you can pay monthly $19.95 US, which is about, there you go, 18 quid. They worked it out for you. 18 quid a month for all those plugins, or you could just go for a whole year, $199, or if you're, it's got all the currencies there, or a 5-year, which is a bit deep. But if you could get a coupon, that would be even more sick, man. But look at this. I mean, like, even they even give you like a trial. I believe this is like a 13 or 30-day trial, no strings attached. Go on there. Look, where we go. Let me see. I'm gonna try it now. I could be, let me see what's happening. I'm gonna go to my legendary series. Look at that D50 Jupiter. Wow. Right. Let me start with that Juno, and I'm gonna hit the install button. Let me see. Look, boom. It's downloading straight away. Look, I haven't paid any money yet. You guys go on there, check it out. You know what I mean? Check out the sounds, have a little rinse up, see what you reckon, have a little chumps, do what you got to do, whatever. Or subscribe to it and do what you're doing, man. You know, this is, you know, add your, you know, I'm on the Mac, so I just add my my pass and I'm downloading. Look, it's installing. You've got to download the Roland Cloud Manager first, but if everything's self-explanatory, you literally just, you know, fill in on the website, do a demo. Look, it's installed. Look, Juno 106 is installed. Bosh. Look. Okay, got the thing to uninstall it. Let me just see something. Is it going to be popping up in Renoise or whatever? Let me just have a look. Juno 106. Where's? Right, I want to quickly boot up Renoise. I'm going to do this, yeah, and then we'll see how that works, and then we'll call it a day, because literally it's Saturday night. It's 9:55. I've got live streaming half an hour. Totally unprepared as usual, and yeah, I just wanted to share this, man, because I was just in the mood to do this video, man, and yeah, let's get this thing loaded. So I'm going to catch you on the other side. Okay, so I'm in Renoise, people, and let's see what happens now. So I'm going to go to my instruments. Obviously, it's going to work in any DAW, you know what I mean? I'm going to go plugins. Let's see what we got here. So let's go to Roland. Look, boom, Juno 106, Roland Cloud. Oh, my days. Synths authorization has not been completed. The audio output periodically becomes distorted and reduced in volume. Back, and we've got this Juno loaded. There we go. So as you can see, it plays. I'm still running in demo mode, although I authorized it and everything. Yeah, and it's looking alright, man. Look. You can see there's lots of sounds on there, and also here, obviously. And it's working nice. Let's check out the JV 1080, see what's on that. Classic sounds, man. Oh, look at that. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm not going to mess with that, man. Now, there you go. Check it out, man. It's just lots of sounds, all contemporary bits and bobs, classic sounds, EPs. Look, wicked. Look at that, man. This is like having a Roland studio, man. Like all over again. All the plugins that you couldn't afford back in the day, all the instruments you couldn't afford. Look, you got it all here now with all the settings and everything, and. That you got bank, you got category. Look at that. You can, oh mate, you can search through tons of stuff you can do here. Look at this category. You go to there. Look, it kind of gives you that kind of stem sort of thing where you can just look through stuff. Legato. Oh mate, it's just wicked. Look, master level. Man, all right. And then look, you got the SH101 classic. Raw, man. Look. See that? And look, you can do all the programming as well. You know what's sick on this as well? If you look here, you can mess about with the envelopes and stuff, and then mess about with somebody, find something. Yeah, you see something like that, yeah? You can get something like that, and then you can learn MIDI, and then just turn a button on your keyboard. Look, and then as you can hear, it's got a lot of effects on it and stuff. So if you take off all the effects, you get something a little bit more bland. You know what I mean? Get rid of the delay, and then you can just mess about with all the different settings. You know, you got your little portamento. Oh, we've got auto. Let's make it a quick one and see what happens if I do that. Man, this is like one of them old retro sims for real, man. Anyway, people, That's it for today's video, because we run out of time. I run over time on this. Once I get stuck in, I do tend to play around with this. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. That's it for today. Take care. God bless. Peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.